Amazing morning, everyone. Hi, I'm Chris Butron. I'm a nurse by profession. I'm working here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes 3 years ago, and I'm taking 3 types of medication. And I heard this I am amazing pure organic barley. I try to take it. I'm taking this 2 sachet early morning, 30 minutes before breakfast, and 1 sachet at night before bedtime. Ang last blood sugar ko is 8%, then 7%, then ngayon is 6.2%. Ngayon bumababa na ang blood sugar ko at nag-lost weight din ako from 75 kilos to 64. I am so grateful to my diamond mentor, Princess Patsy, for her unconditional support and for referring me to Mentor Elise, our wellness coach. Mentor Elise, by joining your satiety-based feasting and fasting challenge, it was very informative and transformative experience for me. I feel motivated and pushed my limits to embrace positive change. I feel much better now. Thank you. God bless us all.